Question. DS. 51 students learn French, Spanish, or both. If 8 students learn both languages, what is the number of students who learn Spanish? Condition 1. The number of students who learn only French is 3 more than twice the number of students who learn both languages. Condition 2. The number of students who learn only French is 5 smaller than the number of students who learn only Spanish. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 3 variables and 2 equations, question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 3 variables and 2 equations. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 3 variables and 2 equations. Now, 3 variables and 2 equations would generally require 1 more equation for us to be able to solve for the value of the variables. This question seems difficult, but don't be scared. Just use the variable approach right away. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need 1 equation to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, the equal number of equations and variables should logically lead to answer D. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. Here the important expression is or both. That is why there is no neither Spanish nor French, and the number of variables is 3. Let the number of students studying only French and only Spanish be F and S, respectively. Let the number of students studying both French and Spanish be B. We can represent this with the Venn diagram below. We have to find the number of students who learn Spanish if 8 students learn both languages out of 51 students who learn Spanish, French, or both, which is equal to B plus S. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 3 variables, F, B, and S, and 2 equations, B equals 8 and F plus B plus S equals 51. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 1 more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Don't let this next part scare you. We are doing it to prove that our logic is correct and the answer is D. You do not have to solve the entire problem on the exam. Condition 1 tells us that the number of students who learn only French is 3 more than twice the number of students who learn both languages. Therefore, F equals 2 times B plus 3. We know B equals 8 and can substitute that in to get 2 times 8 plus 3, which equals 16 plus 3, which equals 19. We can now substitute B and F into the equation. F plus B plus S equals 51 to get 19 plus S plus 8 equals 51, or S equals 24. Therefore, B plus S equals 8 plus 24 equals 32. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Condition 2 tells us that the number of students who learn only French is 5 smaller than the number of students who learn only Spanish. That is, F equals S minus 5. Substituting this in the original condition B equals 8, F plus S plus B equals 51, we get S minus 5 whole plus S plus 8 equals 51. That is, 2 times S plus 3 equals 51, or S equals 24. Therefore, B plus S equals 8 plus 24, which equals 32. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Each condition alone is sufficient, so D is the correct answer. Answer: D.